Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Photobooth filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just go to trending section and remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on this search button and search for Photobooth. Okay, the third one with 34.1 million videos, this is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the search or in the trending section, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Photobooth filter. Okay, the second one, this is the effect. You can tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Or suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you will see many videos with this effect. Just do any video you want. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, and you'll be directed to the effect page. Now from here, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from a video, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video. Okay, to take pictures, just go to 60 seconds or something and tap on the record button, wait for it, pause. Okay, and let's see the results. Okay, not bad. Button, third one, wait for drunk. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.